The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, which was announced in South Korea. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 with larger display, slimmer profile and a 200 megapixel main camera, larger cover and main screen for starters, a 6.5 inches LTPO AMOLED 2x covered screen, up from the 6.3 inches panel on the Z Fold 6 with an updated 21.9 aspect ratio. That should make it more akin to using a regular bar phone display. The main screen has now grown to 8 inches and features a 10:9 aspect ratio. Both panels feature 120 Hz refresh rate and the external one has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on top. It switched to Ultra Flexible Glass UFG, an updated version of the Ultra Thin Glass UTG for the foldable panel. They did not come to be. The Samsung mentions nothing about it. Fold Special Edition is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy and is available in single 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage stream. It also gets improved connectivity with the addition of Wi-Fi 7. The Samsung Z Fold 6 Special Edition is yet to see date enabled. The software side is handled by One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14. Samsung will bring 7 years of software support. The battery is the same 4400 mAh cell that used in the Z Fold 6 with 25 watt wired charging and 15 watt wireless charging. Samsung is offering the Z Fold Special Edition a single black shadow color. Price is set at $2028 US. That's all for now and thanks for watching.